Hey guys, welcome to our weekly series where we take a look at the very best animation designs that are out there and then talk about what we like about them. Make sure that you let us know in the comments below what your favorite designs are because we love to hear from you and we read every single comment. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. This is a landing page designed for a fintech company that aims to help people to build their credit. The concept is to have the visual element to be very clean with a refreshing overall feel while being both engaging and functional. This is just a brilliantly clean and simple dashboard. The animation is for project management, and it allows for the users to easily visualize the workflow and then collaborate more effectively with one another. Just a quick note, guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to subscribe because we've got a lot of cool content coming out soon. This is definitely one of my favorite designs this week. The platform is for a medical company and we get these really fresh animations and the font that feels very artistic yet still professional enough to be used in this type of context. I really love the DNA entrance animation, which is all 3D and super immersive of an experience for someone who's visiting the website for the first time. Here is a different design for the healthcare field, this time a mobile app which allows you to track your data and easily make appointments. The design is once again very clean with a more classic blue branding design. This next design feels very clean and corporate with a minimal black on white page that's contrasted with the strong black and blue landing page. The animations here are subtle on scroll, which just adds a little bit of extra interest and then helps this feel a bit more professional. This is a set of animated icons for a collection of groceries. I think that these really highlight the trend that we're seeing with these warm colors and flat design built of geometric shapes. It feels really cute but still quite detailed, and the little animations just elevate each icon and add a really nice touch. This is a brand identity presentation for a company that caters to customers who are looking for financial assistance. The design is really sleek and modern and could almost be for a design agency itself. I like how they've timed the animations to have this swoosh feeling, just slowing down into a stop, which is really smooth. It helps to reinforce the luxurious overall feeling of this design. This presentation features a simple animation for this email sending flow, which is located at the top of the screen with a little check mark to confirm that your email has in fact sent. And the confirmation animation doesn't block you from continuing your other task since it's just that little tab right at the top. This is an animation with a twist. The phone screen is static and instead it's the background that is animated to add a little bit of visual interest. We also get a small video screen on the left side of someone who is using the app as well, just to help contextualize it a little bit. Here we have a landing page for a clothing brand. The animations here are lively and all video based, and I love how they use the color of the clothing to add brightness to an otherwise very minimalistic white and black landing page. The font is really simple and large with just a few strong words or numbers, and it's really the videos that add a sense of interest here. I love the bright contrasting colors of this design. The lavender paired with the neon green really pops against the otherwise dark background. The moving text behind the screen reinforces the branding in a subtle way without taking focus away from the moving screens of the tablet. Here's a fast-paced, clean, and professional landing page for a financial website. Notice the use of blue throughout the branding. This color establishes trust, which is exactly what you want for a business that deals with people's money. The animations are really smooth without being overbearing. Here is a website for a champagne company. Branding-wise, we get this luxurious, sleek design that is fitting for the price point of the product. The slate gray background is reflected in the packaging, and the animations on each page really enhance and bring the design to the next level. I especially love the pacing. There's always something in motion, but it's not so fast or so extreme that you can't follow what's going on. This dynamic app is designed to save time by helping you to choose an outfit. The UI is really simple and sleek and requires you to simply take a photo of all of your clothing and then organizes it in a really aesthetically pleasing way. This banner animation for a scooter product is bold and bright, with these strong colors and fun slide-in animations. The text is reflected by the scooter scooting into a stop, which I think is really fitting for the type of product that this is. It's very dynamic. Here we have a really interesting NFT landing page because it has this dark background while still feeling artsy and not overly edgy and masculine. This is achieved by the yellow gradient branding color and the layering of different animations onto the screen, one at a time, so you can really focus on each new element separately. I love this simple logo animation for this brand, which has these geometric shapes that all rotate together, exploding and making way for the logo. The logo itself is a wallet paired with those geometric elements from the animation, and we even get one of those layers of the wallet opening up to subtly add a little bit of extra visual interest. I love this concept for a food delivery app that actually takes the weather into account. This is a great idea as it is realistic, explaining delays and setting expectations and even giving explanations for the customer. I also love how they incorporate a header animation of the live weather forecast, which adds a cool visual element as well. Here's a great app verification function. I like the sharp corners that are used throughout and the way that it's presented, zooming in and out and reflecting the screen with a zoomed in background for a bit of added visual interest. I do wish they had stuck to either the purple or the yellow to be a little bit less distracting with that strong contrast, but the design otherwise is really, really nice. Here is an amazing mobile app that helps you to decide what you're watching tonight, as well as streaming it in both a quick and fun way. They make great use of the space here with a small and large view of the movies that is very image driven, and the rest of the design is very minimal to allow the movie art to shine through. This is a super creative animation that makes reference to a pinball machine, combining 2D and 3D elements with physics. I love how this relates to the title of the work, Overthinking, and that the eyebrows move up and down to hit the ball, which changes the expression of the character, which is really fun. This is a dynamic and colorful player for a song on Spotify that uses the album art paired with some movement to give the user something engaging to look at while their song is playing. This next animation is super simple but really packs a punch with the strong text and ball that is layered in front and then slides in and out, and a slider animation in the background, kind of like cards of different scenes from the field. Overall, it feels very immersive and a really exciting type of website. I just love this little icon set. The icons are animated and each represent some form of entertainment. I think the Ferris wheel and the magician's hat are actually a really creative and great addition, and the animations are very well paced and could easily be integrated into many different apps or landing pages. This next shot is really lovely because it gives us both a landing page and a nice transition into a mobile responsive version. This could give a potential client a really easy and exciting way of viewing all of their different screens and possibilities in an easy to digest animation. Next up, we have this animation for a smart home app. It is really simple and it combines these pastel colors that then transition into a darker version as part of the transition for what is happening in the home itself. The animations are really, really smooth, and overall I think that the app is very sleek. It feels well organized and seems easy to navigate. This is an awesome 3D animation for different textures of 3D balls that are rolling, each catching the light and then tumbling down at varying speeds. I especially like the second translucent ball because of the use of light and shadow, which is really hard to execute and shows a lot of skill in animation. And last one for today, our favorite design of the week. This is a great set of animated illustrations for the invoice status tabs. They are part of a consistent family and share similar foundations, all the while having unique supporting elements depending on the status of the invoice. That's it for this week, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video. And now we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts about minimalist design? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to click that notification button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We post every single Monday. That's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.